Hello dear students, how are you today? My name is Gulmayram Bakıtbekkazy and I am your teacher today. Let's begin our lesson. Please watch the video and think what today's topic is.
Some farms have exotic animals, like llamas or alpacas. Or guinea fowl. Or even bison. But most farms have ordinary farm animals, like pigs and chickens. Cows, and goats. Geese and turkeys. Donkeys and sheep.
Now we have to learn some new words about farm animals. Cow. Cow. A large female farm animal kept to produce meat and milk. For example, if you sell the cow, you sell her milk too. A horse. A horse. A large animal with 4 legs that people ride on. For example, she has a beautiful horse. Sheep. Sheep. A farm animal with thick wool that eats grass and is kept for its wool, skin, and meat. For example, sheep were grazing in the fields. Goat. A goat. An animal related to sheep that usually has horns and beard. Goats live wild on the mountains or kept on farms to provide milk, meat, or wool. For example, she used to drink goat's milk. Pig. Pig. A large pink, brown, or black farm animal with short legs and a curved tail, kept for its meat. For example, they have a large pig farm. A hen. A hen. An adult female chicken often kept for its eggs. For example, the hen laid 3 beautiful eggs. Duck. Duck. A bird that lives by water and has a short neck and large beak. For example, the duck started quacking loudly when we threw them some bread. The duck started quacking loudly when we threw them some bread. Donkey. Donkey. An animal like a small horse with long ears. For example, Emily had a brown little donkey. Now guys, we have a vocabulary quiz. Please listen the sounds of animals carefully and find which animal is it. Find what animal is it. Well done, it's a cow. Yeah, you're right. It's a hen. Well done. It's a sheep. Yeah, you're right. It's a duck. Yeah, guys, it's a pig. Well done, it's a donkey. You're right, it's a horse. Now children, we will pass to the grammar. I will explain plural form of noun. What do you see in a picture? Yeah, it's a duck. What do you see now? Yeah, it's a ducks, because here many ducks. The most nouns we add s. The most nouns we add s to make plural. Girl and girls. Now you try. The aunt will be aunts. Bird, it will be birds. Pen, it will be pens. And book, it will be books. Nouns that end with s or double s, sh and ch and x, we add es. For example, the bus. In a plural will be the buses. Now you try. Dish, it will be dishes. Box, it will be boxes. And dress, it will be dresses. And watch, it will be watches. Nouns that end with a consonant plus o, we add es. For example, tomato, consonant letter T and O. In a plural, tomatoes. Now you try. Yeah, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Echo, it's an echoes. And how it will be photos? Is it correct? No, we cannot say the photos. Here is some exceptions. Pianos and photos. We cannot add es. We add just s. Nouns that end with a vowel plus o, we add just s. For example, Radio. I is a vowel. In a plural, it will be radios. Now you try. The zoo, zoos. Stereo, stereos. Video, the videos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Nouns that end with a consonant plus y, we will change the y to I and add es. For example, baby. In a plural, it will be babies. We changed y into I. Now you try. City, we cross y and I, es. In story, it will be the same. Stories. The party, parties. Country, we cross the y and we put I and es, so countries. Nouns that end with f and fe, change fe to v and add es. For example, leaf, it will be leaves. We have to cross f and put v. Now you try. Wife, it will be wives. Knife, it will be knives. And wolf will be wolves. And life, it will be lives. We have some irregular nouns. Some nouns form their plural not by adding and ending s or es, but by changing the letters. For example, foot, it will be feet. And man, it will be men. And child, it will be children. And mouse, it will be mice. The person, it will be people. And goose, it will be geese. And sheep, it will be sheep. And fish, it left like fish. And woman, we change it women. And tooth, it will be teeth. Now guys, we have some exercises. Your task is to make these nouns into plural. Let's check the answer. The cow will be cows. A goat, it will be goats. A donkey, it will be donkeys. A sheep will be sheep. Photo, it will be photos. The horse, the horses. A hen, hens. The fox, foxes. Pig, pigs. Goose, the geese. And baby, the babies. And bus will be buses. Well done. Let's do one more exercise. Please listen to the conversation and answer to the following questions.
It's Sunday, the day after the housewarming party. Andreas and Maria are taking Anna, Pedro, Michael and Josh to a farm outside Filton. When they arrive, the farmer's wife is just entering the hen house. They follow her. Hi, can I help you?
Hi. Could we have a look around?
Of course. Just a minute, I'm just feeding the hens and collecting their eggs. Then I can show you around. While they are waiting, they look around and see horses running in the fields.
Do you have any baby horses?
A baby horse is called a foal. But no, we don't have any foals yet, but we do have some lambs. They walk across the farmyard. 2 dogs are following them.
I love dogs. Do you also have any cats?
Yes, we do. They are probably playing in the hay right now. The group arrives at the sheep.
They are so cute. And look, there's a cat hiding behind the fence. How cute.
Yes, that one is very shy. Do you want to go to the horses now? I think my husband is feeding them. Maybe you can help him. They meet the farmer. He gives the kids some carrots so they can feed the horses.
You are doing a great job. Why don't you come back and try horseback riding someday?
They promise to come back soon.
Let's check the answers. What kinds of animals did children see? They saw hens, cats, dogs, horses, and sheep. What was the farmer's wife doing when the children came? She was feeding hens and collecting their eggs. How we call the baby horse? The baby horse called the foal. Do they have cats? Yes, they do. What was the farmer doing? He was feeding horses. Well done. Now guys, read the paragraph and guess which animals the paragraph are about. Let's check the answer. The first is a cow, and second is a horse. Third is about hen. The fourth is about sheep. Please read the passage one more time and answer the following questions. Let's check the answers. The first Which animal's milk do people use and how do they use it? The answer: we use cow's milk and make butter, cream, cheese from the milk. Which animals are famous for being good mothers? The hens are famous as very good mothers. Why are the horses social animals? Because they live in groups. Which animals have wool? Sheep have wool. Well done! Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention.